Hi everyone, welcome to Newton School. I am Waseem and today I'm going to show you how you can freelance and earn money using Excel. Trust me, these skills can make you independent and in demand. And by the end of this session, you will learn about top freelance opportunities where Excel can help you earn. Subscribe to Newton School now, because learning this can put you one step ahead of everyone else in your field. And if you want to go deeper, check out the Data Science and AI program. The link is in the description below. In today's fast-paced world, businesses and individuals are constantly seeking efficient ways to manage and analyze data. At the heart of this is one powerful tool, Microsoft Excel. Whether you are an experienced professional or someone just beginning to explore the world of freelancing, Excel is an invaluable skill that opens the door to a wide range of lucrative opportunities. So let's explore the top 10 freelance projects that require Excel expertise. In each, we will walk through the necessity, what you can offer, and how much you will earn. First one is data analysis and reporting. Every business needs to make data-driven decisions, and that's where you come in. As a freelance data analyst, you will be tasked with organizing large data sets, conducting analysis, and presenting results. With Excel's powerful functions and pivot tables, you can turn raw data into valuable insights. From sale reports to customer behavior analysis, your work will be crucial for business strategy. And the earning potential is somewhere around $25 to $60 per hour. Then comes your financial modeling. Financial modeling is a skill that businesses across industries rely on to forecast profits, investments, and growth. With Excel, you will be building complex financial models using formulas and creating projections. Whether it's for a startup evaluation or budgeting, your expertise will help businesses plan for the future, and your earning potentials will be $50 to $120 per hour. And then comes your budgeting and forecasting. Businesses of all sizes need to manage their finances effectively. As a freelance budget analyst, you will use Excel to create budgets, track expenses, and forecast future spending. With built-in functions like forecasting tools and financial calculators, you will be helping clients keep their finance on track. Earning potentials are $30 to $75 per hour. Next up, we have data cleaning. As a data cleaning expert, you will help clients to clean up their spreadsheets by removing duplicates, fixing errors, and ensuring data accuracy. Your skills in Excel formulas and filtering options will save businesses time and help them make informed decisions, where you have an earning potential of $20 to $50 per hour. And then comes your dashboards and visual reporting. So dashboards are an essential tool for businesses to monitor key metrics. Using Excel, you can create interactive dashboards that display data in a visually appealing and easy to understand way. So these dashboards can track anything from sales performance to employee productivity, and your work will empower decision makers to act quickly and confidently. And there you will have an earning potential of $40 to $100 per hour. Then again, you have your automation with macros and VBA. Time is money, and Excel can help businesses save both with automation. As a freelance automation expert, you will use Excel's macros and VBA programming to automate repetitive tasks, making processes more efficient and error-free. From generating reports to scheduling tasks, your ability to streamline workflows will be in very high demand, and your earning potential would be $45 to $90 per hour. And then comes inventory management. Many businesses, especially small enterprises, rely on Excel for inventory management. So you can help clients track their stock levels, manage orders, and forecast demand. With your expertise in Excel formulas and conditional formatting, you will create a system that helps them stay organized and reduce waste. And your earning potential would be somewhere around $30 to $70 per hour. At number 8, we have market research and competitor analysis. Every business needs to understand its competitors and market trends. So as a freelance market researcher, you can use Excel to organize and analyze competitive data, giving your clients a clear view of the market landscape. From pricing strategies to customer sentiment, your analysis will provide very key insights. And your earning potentials will be from $40 to $90 per hour. At number 9, we have Excel training and support. Many professionals and companies need to enhance their Excel skills. If you are an Excel expert, offering freelance training sessions can be incredibly rewarding. You'll help individuals and teams learn the ins and outs of Excel from basic functions to advanced data analysis techniques. And your earning potentials will be somewhere around $25 to $75 per hour. And last but not the least, we have the custom Excel templates. Sometimes businesses need more than just standard spreadsheets. As a freelancer, you can design custom Excel templates tailored to specific needs, whether it's for project management, expense tracking, or sales forecasting. Your ability to create user-friendly and efficient templates will help clients save time and boost productivity. And there your earning potential would be $30 to $80 per hour. With Excel expertise, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're creating data models, automating tasks, or training others, the demand for Excel skills in the freelance world is growing. And these 10 projects are just the beginning. The potential to grow and earn is all within your reach. Ready to put your Excel skills to work? Start your freelancing journey today and unlock a world of opportunities. The right project is waiting for you. And that's how you can turn Excel skills into freelance opportunities. From dashboards to automation and financial modeling, these skills can help you earn while working smarter. If you want to take your Excel and data skills to the next level and become a professional data scientist, check out the Data Science and AI program link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Newton School to stay ahead in your career.